Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a surveying problem. In this case we have a total station set up for a survey. It's leveled at a height of 2.05 meters and it's being pointed to the top of this building in order to measure how tall the building is. And basically the problem is asking us to find the elevation of the building's top corner right here. So here's what we're going to do. Basically, we're going to use trigonometry to find the height. So in this case, we want to find the height h. I'll go ahead and label that for us right here. So whenever you have a problem like this where you need to find a side of a triangle, make sure you remember the trigonometry functions. A good way to remember them is SOHCAHTOA. So for the sine function, it'd be SO, which is opposite over hypotenuse. And then for the cosine, it'd be adjacent over hypotenuse. And then for tan, it'd be opposite over adjacent. So in this case, we're going to use tangent because we're trying to solve for the opposite, which is our h right there. And then we have this adjacent measurement and we have this angle right here. So the way that we're going to set that up is we're just going to do tangent of the angle that we have, which is 53 degrees and 20 minutes. Is equal to opposite over adjacent. So in this case, it would be h over 8 meters. Now, before we proceed, we just need to convert the minutes to degrees. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So we know we have our 53 degrees, but we also have this 20 minutes. So in order to convert, we're just going to do this. Basically, we know that there's 60 minutes in 1 degree. So we just do that. And then the result you get is 53.33 repeating degrees. So now that we've converted our angle correctly, what we do is we plug that in. Tangent of 53.33 is equal to h over 8m. So now just make sure that you rearrange the equation to solve for h. So in this case, it'd be h equals 8 meters times the tangent of our angle. And if you do the math, that is going to come out to 10.75 meters. However, we have one more step. We're not quite done. This height h is from right here to right here. And we need to make sure that we add the height that the total station is leveled at, which is 2.05 meters. So just go ahead and add that over here, 2.05 meters. And then our result is going to end up being 12.80 meters. So if you take a look at our multiple choice, our answer is going to be D. So that was a surveying problem for you guys. If you would like to see more problems like these, we have a lot more videos coming in the future. So make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to leave a like and leave a comment with any feedback or any videos you would like to see us cover in the future. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.